We've now reached the halfway point of outfitting Idea Shop 6. Most of the 13th paycheck, with $150 budgeted, goes into your savings jar for future machinery purchases. With a bit of plywood, build a crosscut sled for the table saw. This jig carries pieces past the blade, providing greater stability during crosscuts. With Paycheck 14, build a similar sled, but this one helps you cut precise miters, and buy a random orbit sander and some sanding discs. Paycheck 15 buys a shop vacuum to help clean up all that sawdust you're making. You can also fabricate a connection between the table saw and the shop vacuum to collect dust while you work. Also build a couple of squaring jigs that will be very handy when you begin building cases. Paycheck 16 purchases a set of chisels and the materials to make a workbench with wall storage behind it to organize your growing collection of tools. So with 16 out of the 26 paychecks accounted for, here's how Idea Shop 6 has progressed.